Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Honda Jazz car battery. Start by ensuring the car is off and keys are removed, then open the hood and locate the battery near the front. Use a 10 mm wrench to loosen cable clamps. Always undo negative terminal first. Inspect battery tray for corrosion and clean with a baking soda paste if needed. Keep replacement battery upright and secure it firmly before reconnecting terminals. Begin removing the old battery by first ensuring you have gloves and eye protection on. Loosen the negative clamp with a 10 mm wrench and carefully remove the cable, tucking it aside. Next, loosen the positive clamp and move that cable away to prevent accidental contact. Remove any hold-down bracket using the correct socket, then lift the battery straight up using both hands and firm posture to avoid strain or spills. When installing the new battery, position it so the positive and negative terminals align with the original cables. Secure it with the hold-down clamp and avoid over-tightening, which can crack the case. Reconnect the positive terminal first, then the negative, and ensure both clamps are snug with a 10 mm wrench. After connecting, start the car to confirm good electrical connection and check lights and radio operation for normal function.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.